Coronavirus.
Tiny spiky alien ball that somehow canceled everyone's weekend plans worldwide. Influenza virus. The original seasonal boss fight nobody asked to replay every winter. Ebola virus. Looks like a sci-fi noodle, definitely not the spaghetti you ordered. Rabies virus. Tiny microscopic nightmare running on pure chaos and bad decisions. Hive virus. Silent sci-fi invader with a design straight from an alien movie. Smallpox virus. Ancient cube-shaped villain from humanity's hardest survival season. Bacteriophage T4. A microscopic spider robot that hunts bacteria for a living. Rotavirus. Looks weirdly cute for something nobody wants in their stomach. Zika virus. Tiny tropical troublemaker arriving with mosquitoes and bad vibes. Dengue virus. Mosquito-powered DLC boss with fever mode permanently activated. Marburg virus. Straight up alien spaghetti energy from the darkest sci-fi dimension. Hantavirus. The mysterious cave-level enemy unlocked somewhere deep in survival mode.